Think you know cars? Let's test your knowledge. Stick around until the end. You might learn something that could save you thousands.
What A term refers to the rate at which velocity changes over time and is used to describe when a car speeds up?
The answer is acceleration. The Sentra, Altima, and Pathfinder are all made by which automaker? The answer is Nissan.
The LeSabre and Enclave are models from which GM luxury brand?
The answer is Buick. What car brand, commissioned in 1934 by a notorious leader, translates to people's car? The answer is Volkswagen. The Accent, Santa Fe, and Palisade come from what international automaker? The answer is Hyundai. The Sierra, Acadia, Yukon, and Savannah all belong to which GM division? The answer is GMC. Alaska's highest mountain, over 20,000 feet tall, inspired the name for a line of GMC trucks. What's it called? The answer is Denali.
What German automaker's name comes from the Latin word for listen?
The answer is Audi. At 86 years old, what bulky Chevy model is the longest-running car model still sold today? The answer is Suburban. What kind of citrus fruit also describes a car with major defects or safety issues? The answer is lemon. If your car feels more like a lemon than a luxury and it's still under warranty, you might be eligible for California's Lemon Law protection. If your vehicle's had repeated repairs, stayed in the shop for weeks, or still isn't fixed, you could qualify for a buyback or compensation. Call 833-2088181 or visit lemonlawhelp.com for your free case evaluation. You pay $0 out of pocket, and Lemon Law Help's real California lawyers can help you turn your lemon into cash. Subscribe for more car trivia, tips, and consumer rights info, and share this quiz with a friend who drives.